morning, everyone. This is Barry with Christenson Transportation, and I'm not sure that this segment, this little video, is maintenance related or safety related or anything related. Just a little tidbit of something. I was at Peterbilt this morning and ran into one of our old drivers. Who's a good friend, was here for several years and had to quit. And we were talking, and he said, it reminded me, he said, I said, well, we're busy. And he said, well, we're not too busy. Don't get too busy. Don't run around like your hair's on fire all day. Life's short. Stop and smell the roses. Take time to spend 5 minutes talking to people, make friends, acquaintances. Nobody's too busy to run through life chasing whatever we're chasing, and bypass the little things that are actually the big things that make life worth taking part of. So he was saying he ran into one of our drivers, and he's always talking to him when he sees him because he likes Christenson, and he said, he goes, I tell him, you don't have to work there. But, Christenson, and it says, he goes, where the truckers work, where the truckers truck, he said, that's family. He said, you guys are family. And this is all him doing it. I'm not bringing on any kind of testimonial. He's just telling me, I said, there's lots of other trucking companies I can go work for. And he goes, yeah, but it's not the same. There's not a lot of trucking companies where you get treated like you do at Christenson Transportation. So it made me feel really good. Made me wish he still worked here, but, I'd rather take a friendship over an employee any day of the week, I think. Because sometimes everybody's just not meant for everybody else. But it was just nice of him to say that, hey, I don't work for you anymore, but it is a special place, and this is where the truckers truck, and this is where people get treated like family, and where we do stuff above and beyond the normal thing to do. So, Anyway, be safe. Stop and smell the coffee or the roses or whatever it may be, and make the most out of it. So, thanks for all you do.